How to size Fear of God sweatshorts. Hey everybody, I'm Massimo and welcome back to the only channel on YouTube that covers in-depth videos of cars, fashion, and lifestyle, the Show Me channel. And today we're going over the Fear of God shorts sizing guide. So summertime is here and you guys are probably looking to pick up some pretty good shorts. And one that's on everybody's streetwear list is Fear of God essential shorts. But how do they size? So before we get into it, be sure to like and share for that YouTube algorithm, as well as subscribe. Any support would just be awesome. Now let's get right into the guide. And Fear of God essential shorts are pretty hard to size. Why? It's because Essentials Fear of God typically runs oversized. That's just the nature of the styling, man. You're supposed to have an oversized look when you wear an Essentials Fear of God. So the hoodies are going to run a size up, shirts a size up. So automatically going to think the shorts run a size up, but it's actually a little bit different. The reason why is because the shorts have an incredibly elastic waist, which has a lot of flexibility. And circling back, like I said, Essentials Fear of God is going to have an oversized, relaxed look. So as you can see, the torso actually goes down pretty low, and the legs are kind of stubby, and the leg openings are massive. You potentially are going to have a lot of thigh room in here. Let me show you guys what it looks like more on body. Alright, so here's what the Essentials Fear of God shorts look like on body. And as you can tell, I kind of look like Patrick from that scene from SpongeBob with the inflatable pants. To give you guys some body specs, I'm about 5'11" and 155 pounds. And the shorts I am wearing currently is a medium. And these things may look big, and you do feel a lot of space in the thighs. They do fit pretty comfortably. The waist does do a good job of hugging you. And the drawstrings are pretty freaking long too, so you feel like you have an infinite level of adjustment here. But I can also just leave this untied and everything, and it still feels pretty good on my body. So if you're buying these shorts and you want to go true to size and you want to know how it's going to look, it's going to look pretty big and relaxed, but it's not going to feel like too much like you're swimming in your shorts. And I think this is also because the legs are just really stubby. So you kind of feel a little bit restraint in that way. I always do laugh how low this torso does go though, man. This is one step removed from a skirt. And now I'm going to put up a sizing chart for you guys. If you want just that normal streetwear, relaxed, baggy look, you can just go true to size and be fine. Now if you want something cleaner, you can go a size down. And that's because these waists are pretty elastic. So if you go a size down, you shouldn't have to worry too much about the waist. And I have it right here. If you really like in between sizes and everything, and you feel like it's just going to look way too big on you, it's always just safe to go a size down. Now, if you want an incredibly baggy fit, you're looking for some sort of showstopper outfit, I can recommend you can go a size up because the drawstrings are massive and the waist is pretty elastic. You can go a size up, but I honestly wouldn't recommend it too much. Are you still watching this and thinking, man, I am this height and this weight, so what is actually going to be my true to size and everything? Well, I got you covered right here with a height and weight chart. So if you're about 5'6", 5'10", 140 pounds, a little smaller than me, you can go with a small. Now, if you're about my build, about 5'10", 160 pounds, you can go with a medium. Over 6 foot, 180 pounds plus, you can go with a large. And if you're 200 pounds and really tall too, you can go with an XL. So to sum them up, man, if you're going with Essentials Fear of God shorts this summer, it's honestly not a bad piece. They're made with really good quality, really fashionable, and really comfortable too. And if you're worrying about sizing and everything, my general recommendation is just go a size down if you really have to second guess yourself, because I don't think you can go wrong getting a size down with this. It will probably fit you cleaner and everything. You may not have that flashy streetwear look, but it already looks pretty good as is. I think that's all you're going to need to know to how to size a pair of Fear of God essential shorts. What do you guys think about it? Comment down below your opinion. Like and share for that YouTube algorithm. And last but certainly not least, subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next video.